Hey guys, what's up? I just wanted to quickly deep dive into the analyzer for you and show you what's all inside. So the amazing part about the analyzer is it shows you exactly what you need to do step by step without overwhelming or confusing you. It's a very simple and straightforward process. You just type in the stock that you want to search for and then it pulls it up. It shows you the last closing price, the recommendation, and your step-by-step action and what you should do right here in the short description. Not only that, it shows you the highlights of your stop loss, your risk to reward, your take profit, and your buy range. And if for some reason you forget what you need to do at each level, just hover over it and it tells you exactly what it means and what you should be doing. Not only that, there's a fundamental analysis section so that you can see what the fundamental numbers of this stock are, right? Like their 52-week range, the average volume, the market cap, the beta. And if you're ever confused what these things mean, you just hover over it and it tells you exactly. So for instance, beta shows how much the stock moves. 1 equals normal. So greater than 1 is going to be it moves more. Or PE compares the price to earnings. Lower is better. So 39.6 is a little high. And so we can see that with earnings per share as well. Higher is better. So we can kind of get an overview of what's going on. And it shows that for everything. And it also gives you stock news as well. Not only that, it shows you the top stocks that perform like it. So for instance, here are some of the top similar stocks that perform like Apple. And not only that, you can talk with others on Discord about those stocks as well. So what's awesome is you can type in any stock you want and it searches for it. We also support international markets as well. Here's an example of a great buy stock, meaning that the stock's current price is within the buy range, and that's an amazing thing to see because that is the best stock to buy. So guys, this is the analyzer and it allows you to search by different stock markets as well. So for instance, if I want to search the TSX, I just type in TSX and now I can search it. So for instance, Shopify on the TSX exchange, here we go. It's a great buy. You can see everything about it, especially in the Canadian sector. And guys, the analyzer, it's a step-by-step process to help you crush the market in less time without having to worry, being confused, or second guessing yourself. I would definitely check this out if you're interested in knowing exactly where to buy and sell every stock.